Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Icon Cash. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create your Amazon account and upload your ebook and make tons of money from it. I'll be sharing with you how you can create your Amazon account, how you can set up the payment method, and likewise how you can upload your ebook and make tons of money from this Amazon. So but if this is your first time here on this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload another new videos you will get notified. And if you are a returning subscribers, you are one of our subscribers, you can do us a favor by sharing the videos to your friends and likewise dropping us comments so that we know the next thing to do, so that we will hear from you your opinion. As I normally said that your opinion is highly valued. Here we valued your opinion. So without wasting our time, let us move to the tutorial. I said I'm going to teach you how to create Kindle Amazon account, how to set the payment method, and at the same time how you are going to make money from Kindle. So now when you log into Kindle Amazon, this is how the front page is going to be. So you are going to be seeing something like this. So for a new someone that doesn't have this account, so you need to click on sign up. Don't have account, sign up. Then you enter either your phone number or Gmail. So as for me, I'll be entering my Gmail. So you select a password of your choice. No, it's not login. It's to create account. Create a Kindle account. Don't mind me. So you have your name. So you have your name. So let me use my name. So the Gmail, I use the Gmail. The password, so that's all. So you have to enter your name, your password, your Gmail, then you create your Kindle account. Create your Kindle account. They said to verify your account, we have sent an one-time password, that is OTP, to the Gmail. So you go back to the Gmail account you are using and you reload it. You can see the code is already available. So when you click on it, 087362 So then you click on create account. Now you may take your time to read this. Then you click on agreed. Now immediately you agreed. So this is how the interface is going to look like. Now this is how the interface is going to look like. that is, the account has been created. The account has been created. That is, look at this way. They said once you create a book, it will show up here in your shelf. That is, immediately you start to upload an ebook, so the ebook will continue to show up here. The ebook is going to show up here. When you upload the ebook, it's going to show up there. But now we do not have any ebook yet now, so there is no book showing. So then now you click on your account to set up some things. When you click on your account, so here you are going to add a number for a verification code, to receive a verification code. So you are going to add a number. So you add your number, and after you add your number, you send the code. I cancel that because I've done that before. So you enter your code, and after you enter your code, everything they are going to tell you like that. So now let me now log into my own personal account to show you something. Kindle. I want to show you something. That's why I want to log into my own personal account. So log in. So my account. Now, so immediately you verify your number. You add your name. There will be a column to add your name, your address, your zip code, your area, your phone number. Now there will also be a place to add your payment method. So this one is the bank I get. The First Century Bank is the bank I get from my Payoneer account. So if you don't know how to sign up Payoneer account, you can check all my previous video on how to set up a Payoneer account. So you come here, you add your Payoneer account to it. So this place you add your tax ID. That is your tax ID. For you that you are in Nigeria, you don't have tax ID. So what you are going to use is your NIN number. Your NIN, the number that they normally write on your national ID card. We call it NIN number. So this is the one you are going to enter here. But for those of you that you are from USA and other countries, so you use your NIN, or you use your ID number, maybe your driving license number, or your national ID card number. So that's what you are going to add to it. That's what you are going to add to it. So that's all about how to create your Amazon account. And immediately you set up your Amazon account, you add your payment method. The next thing for you is to upload a ebook. And when you upload the ebook, you don't need to market it. They market it for you. And when they market it for you, when they market it for you, they pay you a royalty based on what they said on the ebook. They pay you a royalty. So in my next video, I will be talking about how you are going to get this ebook without writing them. How you are going to get this ebook without stressing yourself. How you are going to get this ebook without paying anybody to write this ebook for you. I will tell you how you are going to, where you are going to get them, and how you are going to do them, and how you are going to manipulate everything. I'm going to be showing you from A to Z. So if you have gained something from this tutorial, kindly drop a comment under the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel, share the videos. Thank you.